my heart breaks through. Seal Creek calls where the wild runs free. Whoa, it's waiting for me. We drive through trees where the forest leans, past Betka's glow and Quarry's greens. The dirt road starts a slower pace, through secret's path, a hidden place. Pebbly shines where the coast feels near. The mature bush whispers, the way feels clear. Step by step the wild takes hold, cliffs and waves with tales untold. Seal Creek waits, it feels so near. The journey flows, the path is clear. Hey, I hear it call. Seal Creek's magic, I feel it all. Golden sands and tannin-stained streams, where the creek meets sunlit dreams. At Shipwreck Beach the walk begins, a winding trail where silence spins. Through low bushland, the heathland's wide, ocean views with cliffs beside. Into the trees the shade feels right, the steep track leads to the golden light. Hey, oh, feel the earth, the sand, the breeze. This is where my heart's at ease. Hey, la la la. Seal Creek sings its ancient tune, a timeless call beneath the moon. Hey, I hear it call. Seal Creek's magic, I feel it all. Golden sands and tannin-stained streams, where the creek meets sunlit dreams. Seal Creek shines, the day feels right. Golden sands in the fading light. Spend an hour, maybe two. Feel the calm where time moves through. Then turn around, retrace the way back to Malakuta, a perfect day. Whoa, Seal Creek stays in my heart through endless days, a sacred place where time runs slow. Whoa, I'll always know.